Hello everyone, it's me Akshita Sahu and welcome back to my channel The Beauty Shine. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make DIY fake nails at home. In this tutorial you do not need any kind of polygel or any kind of fake nails. You can make these lovely fake nails using your household items. Now without any delay, let's get started. Let us have a look on materials. So we need a plastic bottle. You can cut an entire bottle into half and then you can use it for your fake nail. Then we need a scissor for cutting. Then we need one nail polish. We need some school glue, but be sure it should be non-toxic and it should be also child safe. This will help you to keep your nails protected, and by using non-toxic and child-safe glue, it will provide protection to your nails. Then we need some DIY nail art paint palette. So this is created by me. This is DIY. So you can just put up some nail polish and you can go for any kind of nail art like dotting and all. So we need this, and with it I'm going to take a dotting tool. So this is a DIY dotting tool made by toothpick and a small pin, and now we are good to go. Now let's get started to create our fake nails. First of all, take your plastic bottle and just cut a piece of it. So I hope you can see. You have to cut a piece of it and cut the length according to yourself. If you want big, you can cut it big. If you want short, you can cut it short. So I'll cut it and then I'll show you. After cutting the piece of plastic, you have to shape it according to your nail. So I'll be shaping it according to my nail size. I'll be cutting its cuticle outline and I'll be shaping it according to my nail length. So I'll do it, then I'll show you. As you can see, I've cut it according to my thumbnail. So you can see it fits right to my thumbnail. Now let's proceed for the next step. For the next step, you'll be needing a nail polish. Here I've selected a nail polish and now I'll be painting it right onto the fake nail. I've decided to create this beautiful polka dot design onto the fake nail. So as you can see, it looks so nice, so natural, so lovely, and it suits me very perfectly. So all I'll be doing is I'll be painting the fake nail half, and half of the portion will be transparent, and on the half of the portion I'll be creating small polka dot using a dotting tool. So now without any delay, I'll be painting this similar like this, and then I'll be showing you. So as you can see, I've painted the half of the portion of fake nail, and now it's time to create some lovely polka dot design onto this fake nail. So all you'll be needing is a DIY nail paint palette, and I'll be removing few drops of nail paint onto this palette. With the help of a dotting tool, I'll be taking this small little pin and I'll be using as a dotting tool. I'll be dipping it into the nail polish, and then I'll be creating small polka dot design on it. As you can see, I've created this fake nail. I've given it a lovely design of painting the half of the person with the nail paint and creating beautiful polka dot design on the half of the painting of the half of the person. Now I'll be allowing it to dry, and once it gets dry, I'll be sticking it onto my nail. After a few minutes, it has gone perfectly dried. Now it's time to stick onto my nail. I'll be taking a little bit of glue onto my thumb. That's it. Now I'll be placing the fake nail onto the glue, and then I'll press it to make sure it fits onto my nail perfectly. And it's done. Wow! In just few minutes you have created a lovely fake nail, and I hope you like this short and simple tutorial. Now you can get ready to create your own nail art. You do not need polygel or any kind of other nails for your nail art. You can simply create fake nails out of this plastic ball, and you can see it looks so beautiful. So now I've created few more fake nails, and I'll be sticking them right on my nails. So I'm going to stick it, then I'll be showing you the final look. So as you can see, I've stuck all the fake nails onto my nail, and you can see, wow, it looks so beautiful. So now you can have a look on this beautiful fake nails, and I hope you liked this video. If you did so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe the video.